Hello friends, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamic YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I explain concept about simple interest, how to find the simple interest for some amounts. So let me come to explain the concept. Before getting the knowledge, please all of you like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also you have to follow my YouTube videos and each and every one. Please you see up to end, then only you can get good understanding. Okay, come to explain simple interest. So you have to know the formula. SI means simple interest in the short first letter, simple interest. It is equal to P cross P into N into R over 100. So this is the formula. So how we can tell flow PNR by 100. So this is the simple interest. Once you want to find the simple interest means, please using the values divided by 100 you can get the value of amount of simple interest for the principal amount. So in this case each one amount SI simple interest also some values, so we are telling amount like this. But you have to listen the word is properly. Simple interest means once you want to find the simple interest means in the three things needed. One, you have to know or you want to get some amount, some period of times, or some rate of interest. The three things if you know, then you can find the simple interest. So from these things anyone you want to find, for example P means principal. I am mentioning the explanation. SA is a simple interest, P equal to principal amount, then N equal to number of years, R equal to rate of interest. This is the expansion. At this in the question they have mentioned like this, so you can get it understanding. Then you have to substitute the values, then find the calculate the value, find the values. So principally from these things you need to find the principal means the amount. So using this formula, simple interest divided by, so N in the R, but in the 100 you have to multiply, so that I am giving right. So another one, rate of interest means the same, but instead of rate of interest you have to multiply P. So here, so you need the time means, please you change the letters, but the same simple interest into multiply 100, then P into R. So this is the main thing. So only one formula, but we can find three ways: principal, rate of interest, time, like this. So another one opportunity, the rate of simple interest differs means, please year to year, then you have to use principal amount in the rate of interest addition, then divided by 100. These are the ways. Find which one you need, you can calculate using this formula. So 10,000 and 7,500, 17,500. So in the total how to calculate means, this is one next slides. Principal amount 10,000, simple interest 7,500, the total is 7,500. Sometimes they will ask critically, what is the principal amount? You want to find what is the principal amount, will the total amount to 16,000 in 6 years at a 10% of simple interest. So right now you want to find the P, but they are giving total amount. Total amount means this amount they are giving 16,000. So after 6 years, 10% of simple interest means how much you give to the person. This is only we try to find. So you see the formula already is there. So you have to use 16,000 total. You don't know. You don't know the P. So P in the formula. It is a principal plus simple interest formula. What is the formula? Principal into time into rate of interest. This is only we are writing. So in the calculation you can simplify. So in this case P plus, so you see here you can cancel 0 0 means it is only 10, then 16, because you have to simplify in this case 60 divided by 100 means it is not a like fraction, so you have to use to cross multiply, then after that you have to add, because the numerator must be get a same. This is the basic mathematics, please. If you know very well basic mathematics, then only you can able to calculate. So in final 16p divided by 100, after that you have to calculate using the 16,000. So at the same time you can get it, the p value is 10,000. Once you, if you give 10,000 to anyone, after 6 years, 10% of rate of interest, how much you will get it means 6,000 interest, and also 10,000 they will give you, so that you received 16,000 from the person. So here some technique. Sometimes the sum values becomes how n times and n years, the n times and n years at the simple interest. Then how the formula for calculating rate of interest, here n and time and year, the n times in n year, the n years they will give the year at simple interest. At the same time, how to calculate the rate of interest means, this is a formula, r equal to 100 into n minus 1 into n percentage. So the n percentage means the rate of interest percentage, only you have to calculate n minus and the values. For example, you see, a sum of money becomes 4 times, it is separate 4 times in 20 years at the SI. Find the rate of interest. They are giving years also, they have given times also they have given. So here what is the meaning? They are multiplying 4 times, becomes 4 times. It is separate. You maybe think, sir, number of years is also we are considering time. No, no, it is not like this. It is separate. The sums becomes 4 times, but in the year only number of years, like this. You have to understand this, please. So you see, using the formula, the times, number of times increase, it is a 4, but this is only number of years, the time of duration. So if you calculate, you will get the 15%. This case, if you give means after 20 years you will get the sum 4 times. Another one type. So you see here also n times in certain rate of interest, but how to find the time taken for the same amount. So for this case, in the formula n minus 1 divided by 2 into n. So here 100 into n minus 1, but here n minus 1 divided by 2 into n, but here divided by n. This is only you have to understand. So in the example, the sum becomes 3 times in certain rate of interest in 5 years. Find the time taken in the same amount will be 8 times at the same rate of interest. If the question like this means, you have to understand here 8 times, you want to find the time 8 times, and also 8 minus 1 divided by 2 into how much, the year 5 years. So in this case they are giving, so once they are giving some sample, the sum becomes 3 times in certain rate of interest in 5 years. Find the time taken in same amount. So no need to, same amount will be 8 times. So this is only be our question. So you have to take, then you divide by 17.5 years it will take, like this. So here also you see the split. You have 7,700 in your hand. Right now 2 persons they are asking. At the same time, how you are plan to give the first person some amount you gave, but the amount we don't know, we want to find, but your plan is 20% of rate of interest for 5 years, and you are giving another one person 9% of rate of interest and 6 years. So if you give, like this, so the finally you are getting 7,700. So how much the person gave you, how much the person gave you, so but you received the total 7,700 means, how to find the calculation means, so this is the rate of interest, this is the years. So rate of interest and years means how to find the ratio. So the rate of interest for the years means 20 into 500. So this is 9 into 6, 54. For the two numbers, the ratio is 1 over 100, 1 over 54. So this is a small, this is the highest, so that I rechange 27. And you can ask, sir, this is 1 over 100, 1 over 24. How you are getting the 54 and 50 means it is a ratio. So you can get it, it is a 27 is to 50 like this. So in the 27 for the total how much for this amount, this is only calculation. So first you have to take single, after that the ratio, what is the ratio means total, then for the amount. If you calculate means you will get first person he gave 2700, I think this person, but the second the 20% rate of interest person, how much he gave means out of 5000. So he submitted, he gave to the person 5000 and he submitted the 2700, the total is 7700. So thank you so much, we will meet the next video. Please all of you see up to end.